trudging everywhere. C is for cat, purring soft and sweet. D is for dog, wagging happy feet. E is for elephant, stomping with delight. F is for fox, sneaking out of sight. G is for giraffe, reaching up so high. H is for hippo, splashing water nearby. I is for iguana, climbing in the sun. J is for jaguar, fast as a run. K is for kangaroo, hopping all around. L is for lion, roaring with a sound. M is for monkey, swinging in the trees. N is for newt, hiding by the leaves. O is for owl, hooting in the night. P is for penguin, sliding left and right. Q is for quail, tiny and shy. R is for rabbit, hopping close by. S is for snake, slithering through the grass. T is for tiger, prowling fast. U is for Uriel, climbing up the hill. V is for vulture, soaring with skill. W is for whale shark, gentle and grand. X is for Xerus, running across the sand. Y is for yak, strong and furry too. Z is for zebra, running into view.